Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a community post on your YouTube mobile. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or Android, it doesn't really matter. Basically, the first step is just opening the YouTube app. So I'm going to open it up here, and once we're in there, we're going to tap on You at the bottom right, which is my profile icon. Now on here, you can see I have my channel at the very top. I'm going to tap on it to get to my channel. This will show me all my videos and everything. You can see home videos, shorts, playlists here, and we'll scroll over and tap on community. You can see I can tap on that, and it allows me to start creating a post. I can just start typing something, like subscribe to the channel How to Heroes. I can basically check this as public here. I can have a certain schedule. If I wanted to tap on a schedule time that I wanted this to be released, at the bottom you can see I can add a poll, I can add an image, any of those different things. I'm going to just hit this and I can hit add poll, options, image, text, any of that stuff. Basically, when I'm ready and I've created whatever I want to share, I can just hit post just like that. And you can see it posts it to my community board. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.